Hi, yesterday I asked a question in a story of my Instagram and I asked you, do you have a written trading plan? And many traders answered me. Thank you for all of your answers. Some traders answered, yes, they have. Some answered they don't, and some other answered they have, but not written. They have in their mind. Please pay attention. There is something about trading plan. You must have a written trading plan. It's very important. If you want to be a successful Forex trader, having a trading plan is not optional. It's necessary. In fact, every business should have a business plan. And because we are a Forex trader, we need trading plan for our trading. And if we fail to plan, we plan to fail. Every successful Forex trader have trading plan. It's very important. So in next couple of minutes, I will teach you what is trading plan, what is its feature, and how to write a trading plan. So your trading plan feature, please pay attention. First of all, your trading plan should be written on 1 or 2 pages. Okay? 2 pieces of paper, not more than that. Okay? It's necessary. If you say, I have a trading plan in my mind, it's not correct. Please pay attention. It should be written and you should read it a lot. In your trading, in many cases, you should come back and read your trading plan. Sometimes you want to exit a trade, but you are not sure. You should come back and read it. Sometimes after a couple of wins, you will be very careless. You should come back and read it. That's why you need a written trading plan. Your trading plan should be completely clear, 100% clear. If your trading plan is not clear, it will cause a lot of stress in your trading. In some position, you don't know you should trade it or not, okay? Because it's not clear. Please pay attention. It should be clear, 100%. Your trading plan should be simple. Please avoid some complicated, weird strategy and trading plan. Try to write a simple and clear and understandable trading plan. And it should be complete. Your trading plan should be complete. It should include all of your strategy and money management. In fact, your trading plan should include 2 parts, strategy and money management. You should write these 2 parts clear and simple. Okay? So, in a strategy part, you should write your trading time frame and your higher time frame. I know you know already what is your trading time frame and what is your higher time frame. Okay? But you should write it anyway. You should write the pattern that you trade. Okay? If you don't write these things, maybe every time you come to chart, you do something new and you ruin your whole business, okay? So, you should write the pattern that you want to trade. If it's 1 pattern, 2 pattern, write it down. You should write your analyzing system. Please pay attention. You should just write the outline. You don't need to write all the details, okay? But outline. For example, the ratios that you use in Fibonacci retracement or expansion, okay? You should write your entry signal based on which signals you want to enter the trade. Okay? Your managing system. If you have a managing system for moving your stop loss and trading multi-unit trade, write it down. And finally, you should write your exit situation for every unit of your trading. For example, if you trade 3 units per trade, you should write for unit 1, what is your exit point? For unit 2, what is your exit point? And for unit 3, what is your exit point? Write all of them. That's where your trading plan will be complete. Okay? And in money management, you should define and write max loss per trade. Okay? In each trade, when you lose, what is your maximum loss? Max loss for all of your open position, I mean, if all of your open position lost in the same time, I mean if all of your open position lost in the same time, how much would be your maximum loss? And at the end, your max loss per time period. If you don't know what does it mean, I made a video about it. The name of video is Rely on Forex as a Business. At that video, I will explain max loss per time period. Okay, you should write all this material down and read it a lot and follow it in all of your trading. That's it. If you have any question, please write it down in a comment box.